Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2008 Kawasaki Concours Sport Tour. This is the ABS version that has approximately 23,600 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, which are the removable saddlebags, the electronic windshield, this one also has a nice matching top case and an aftermarket exhaust that has nice sound, gives a little bit more performance. This is a bike you could easily put, 200-300 miles on in a day, as far as riding up to Napa, riding up to Tahoe, or down the coast to Carmel. Super comfortable ride for either one up or two up. If you want the bags, like I said, you can take those off and have more of a sporty look if you want to split lanes easier. Bike's been gone through by our service department. This particular one, we put new tires on it, new brakes, oil change, and she's dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.